Hey friends, if you wish to fix action needed on Wi-Fi in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to forget the network and reconnect. And how would you do that? Select the Wi-Fi network, right click on it and select forget. Okay, click on yes and then forget it. Okay, and then return to the same network, click on it, connect and then enter the password again and hit enter. It will need a while to reconnect and it will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If not, then try the next solution, which is to power cycle network. So switch off the router and computer both. Now switch on the router only and wait till the lights are stable and then turn on the computer. The last solution will be to run the network troubleshooter. And how will you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.